You must develop a deep and unwavering conviction that the suffering of samsara is boundless, long-lasting, and unbearable. With that conviction, resolve to follow the vast and extensive dharma path that can liberate you from samsara. Therefore, you must use this human body to attain liberation and achieve the state of omniscient Buddhahood. Should you miss this chance and be reborn into a lower realm, the opportunity for liberation will no longer be available to you. Hence, it is imperative for you to first cultivate a firm resolve to practice the Dharma by contemplating the rarity of this human life, and then to make up your mind to engage in Dharma practice immediately by contemplating the impermanence of life. At the same time, you must follow a vast and extensive Dharma path, for practicing ordinary paths is insufficient. Only through practicing the clear light Dzogchen can you find great solace at the time of death, which is difficult to attain through other teachings.